Welcome. In this short and simple video, I will quickly show how you can exit safe mode in Redmi. So, the matter of disabling the safe mode is as simple as rebooting your smartphone. So, first launch the power off menu by simultaneously pressing volume up and power buttons, or you can also do that by keeping or pressing and holding the power key if you haven't got the voice assistant assigned onto this button. Now move this little slider to the reboot and allow some time, anywhere between 15 to 30 seconds, maybe even more than that, for your Redmi phone to be restarted. And once it will, the device will return itself into the normal operating state. So let's wait for that. And well, here you have it, the safe mode text is removed. And well, generally the system is back to its regular operating, state. And well, as far as this video goes, that will be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.